Hi, and welcome to this video. Do you want to set up your Kick Chat in OBS Studio just like this? I'll show you step by step on how to do it, so make sure you finish this tutorial. So let's dive in. Open your OBS Studio. Click the Docs tab from the top. Now go to Custom Browser Docs. Add your doc name. This would be displaying your Kick Chat room. Now you can name it as you like, but for me, I'll be putting Kick Chat Doc. For the URL, type kick.com / then your Kick username / chat room. No spaces at all. Then click Apply. So here's your Kick Chat doc that you can drag and drop in your OBS Studio. You'll see right now it says disconnected and you cannot send anything yet. So the next step would be, let's go back and add another doc. Let's name it kick.com. The name would not matter since we'll delete this later. We just needed to sign in and activate our chat room. For the URL, just type in kick.com and click Apply. This will pop up and all you have to do is log in. Once you're logged in, just close it out and click OK. Now going back to the doc, let's delete this browser for Kick. Now click Apply and then Close. Now let's go back to our Kick Chat doc and right-click anywhere on this empty space and click Refresh. And now our chat is enabled, so let's send a test message. Okay, there you go. Now, in order for Kick Chat to display as an overlay on your OBS Studio, we'll need to use a free tool called BotRigs. So open up a browser on your computer and type BotRigs. Click the first link. If ever you have a different language when you come in, just go to the top right corner of your screen and click this to change the site's language. Now we need to log in first to one of these platforms, so I'll go ahead and log in my YouTube account. If this would be your first time to log in your account, just click Authorize or follow the steps to give access or permission to BotRigs. On your left panel, make sure you are under Profile. Now here we have successfully linked our YouTube account. From here, we will link our Kick account. So click Sign In with Kick. Put in your Kick username and then click Accept. Now it says, please give the moderator role to BotRigs to continue. So click Continue. You'll be routed to your Kick's account under Moderators. From here, click the Add New button, type BotRigs. Make sure to select the one with a green check mark. Then click Add. Now let's go back to our BotRigs tab. Now to confirm the linking of our Kick account, we need to copy this command first. Then click this green link. It will bring us to a chat room, and all we have to do is paste the command we copied earlier and then hit Enter. And then you'll see a confirmation message right below it that says your account has been successfully linked. We will have to go back to our BotRigs tab and click Finished. Now you'll see that we have our Kick account linked here as well. We will need to get into our Kick settings from here, so click the Settings button. If that button disappears here, that means we are in the platform settings. So now go to your left panel and click Widgets. Then click on Chat. Now you'll see options here which chat you can turn on. It depends on how you want to set this up, but for now, since I only need Kick, I'll turn off the rest and leave Kick on. Now for the ones here below, this is actually per your personal reference. You can play with it, but for me, I'll not hide bot messages. I'll leave better TTV emoticons. I'll not hide old messages. I'll hide commands, and I'll not show platform icon. For the pattern, it is just how your chat messages would display. Right above here is the preview. So if I choose default, it looks like this. But if I choose side, it will look like this. The other patterns that have star on it are for premium BotRigs users. I don't have a premium account, so I'll stick with the side pattern. Now we'll copy this widget URL and go back to our OBS. On the OBS Studio, go to the Sources panel and click the plus sign to add a source. Click Browser, Now let's put a name, Kick Chat Overlay. Then click OK. Then let's paste here the widget URL we got earlier. Then click OK. Now this is our chat overlay we just added. It's blank for now since we don't have any incoming messages. I'll put this in the corner. Now we can go to our KickChat doc here and send test messages just to see if it's working. So there you go. We have successfully set up our KickChat in OBS Studio. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.